This is the second video in this series. Sue Thompson, the convener of the Australian Children's Contact Services Association, known as ACCSA, gives a brief overview of the essential operational requirements of a children's contact service.
Essentially, Children's Contact Services, or CCSs, provide supervised visits and changeovers to children of separated parents where, for numerous reasons, the parents are unable to independently manage the child's time with each of them. A key objective of a CCS is to give children the opportunity to re-establish or maintain a relationship with the parent they do not live with. The key goal of CCS is to assist families using the service to make the transition to self-managing parenting time arrangements. Most families who require the use of the CCS do so due to the condition of a family court order. Some will have agreed to the service via mediation. Some of the practices that are essential to that provision of safe, neutral and child-focused service delivery include intake assessments. The service conducts a separate in-depth interview with each parent. This is a risk and suitability assessment and the opportunity to communicate the conditions of service use and answer any questions a parent may have. Child orientation or familiarisation sessions. This provides the very important role of offering the children the opportunity to become familiar with the service environment and the staff. Staff build rapport and assess the emotional well-being of the child. Staff will use the information obtained from the intake interviews and those familiarisation sessions to determine whether the service is suitable and whether extra support is required from other services. The contact service will endeavour to facilitate the aspects of a parenting agreement or court order. However, they are not obliged to do so. They can reject the application and are not bound by the orders or a party to the orders. A CCS will facilitate changeovers or supervised visits if it's assessed as safe and in the child's best interest to proceed. In summation, Children's Contact Services should have a primary focus on the best interest of the child and the safety of all involved. ACCSA advocates that this is best achieved through service provided in child and family-friendly, safe environments, staffed by appropriately qualified and well-trained staff who practice according to the baseline standards as set out in the CCS Guiding Principles Framework.
To find out more about ACCSA, visit their website at www.acccsa.org.au. To learn more, make sure to watch the other 2 videos in this series about supervised visits and facilitated changeovers, as well as the differences between publicly and privately run children's contact services. These videos are available on our website at www.vicflpn.org.au.